All right, I'm lively doing a couple boxes of Encased this morning. Good luck, brother. I'll get this video uploaded immediately. Like morning sun, all the light blasting. I'm on the east side of the. All right, here we go. Box 1 and 3. Only 2 boxes left from the case. It's been pretty quiet. Case has. All right, K.A. Towns, number to 99. Tyreek Evans, triple to 99. Timmy Duncan, number to 99. And Sharif Abdurrahim, number to 99. Endorsements auto. Vancouver Grizzlies. Don't see him very often. And who do we got here? Yabuzele, number to 99. Rookie endorsements auto, mint 9 with a 10 auto. From the first one. Box 2. To 25, Eric Bledsoe. Derek White, number to 99. Markel Fultz to 99, rookie. And Adrian Dantley for the Detroit Pistons, number to 25. Scripted signature red. And nice one. De'Aaron Fox, 9-5. Rookie scripted 6 red, number to 25. Get it figured out in that sophomore season. Mark, there you have it, brother.